In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change Instagram story privacy from close friends to public. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, let me quickly create a story and then I'm gonna share it with my close friends. Now you can see that green circle around my profile picture. Green circle means that this story has been shared with your close friends, and we can easily check that if we open up this story and if we tap right here at that sign. As you can see, now this story is shared just with a particular user. And that's where, first off, we can share this story with another users. We can easily add some users from suggested, just check mark them in that simple way. So that's how we can easily add another users to our close friends. And also we can use search to search for a specific user, just like that. That's how we can also add them to our close friends, and once we hit add done, our story will be immediately shared with these persons too. However, if you would like to make your story, public, we can open up story, hit add more, and then story settings. However, we cannot unfortunately find the option that allows us to convert close friends story to public. So guys, the only way to share that story to public is to remove current story and then share it again with another privacy settings. So I'm gonna upload the same picture and then I'm gonna share it as my regular story, and so in this way this story will become public. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.